Reverse works? To reverse. Does the line changes? Yep. All that working. Beautiful.
Quisiera que supiera que jamás nadie
2018 C-Class, we are doing a bigger size Android CarPlay MirrorLink radio. First thing we're gonna do is remove this little trim right here. You pry this silver panel outward, then you push these two tabbies inward to release. Once you have them out, there should be two torque screws here. Then entire bezel comes out like this. Okay. The next step is to remove this center channel speaker. Grill pops out. There should be 4 screws holding on to the speaker. Then on the part of it, there should be screws holding on to this monitor. Carefully pry that grill out. It's a thin plastic. Now, okay, we don't have to take the speaker out. Right here, right by my fingertip, one on each side, there's a hole there. There are torque screws in there. We're going to remove them. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so once you have those screws out, you just simply pull forward. The entire monitor comes forward. And we're gonna disconnect those. I think they call LDVS or something. This is the video cable. This is, I guess, some other video signal. I'm gonna remove them. We're not going to use this monitor, obviously. Okay, so next step is to remove this center dash out. There is a little locking clip right here. You push it down, pull this one. There's a locking clip inward. This right by my fingernail. You push inward, pull like that. Then there's another one on the top middle, on the bottom center middle. Same thing, locking clip right here, push that. And then this one is a little tricky. This one, I know it slides out, not upward, rather it slides toward to the back. So this is a little tricky. This is for the cigarette lighter. Everybody think it comes forward like it should, but it's not. It's actually coming out this way. This way, not this way. Pull this way. And that released. So remove all these plugs. Make sure you put everything back in the way it's supposed to go back in. Push that thing out. There should be another one on the bottom. Alright, now you can remove the entire center dash out. The reason we remove the center dash is to get to this. There are T-harnesses you need to transfer the fiber optic cable if there is a fiber optic. Some radios, they have a fiber optic mounted on the side of the radio. Some, they do have a fiber optic on the main harness. So if you have a fiber optic on the main harness, you simply remove the outer ones, put it onto the new T harness, put this back into the radio. The other end plugs into the factory side. That will provide the audio. So just simply remove 2 screws and everything pulls out. We're gonna pull this clip out ways like this and disconnect. So this is the fiber optic. So to get to the back of it, there is a little locking pin, little plastic right here. You're gonna bend it out. That should release the fiber optic cable. Now you don't have to worry about which way it goes in. It only fits in one way. It has a flat side on one and kind of rounded on the other. So it only fits in one way. If you turn it the other way, it doesn't go in. So you don't have to worry about what goes where. That goes to this T harness. The outer ones. No, yeah. Put that in. Okay, now the fiber optic goes on to the outer side ones. Make sure it's locked in. Now that goes back into the factory radio. Make sure that locking clip is out all the way. That's gotta go up higher. This has to go out higher. It's kind of like a 90-degree angle, otherwise it's not going to fit in. No, it's not in right. No, don't force it. It has to be like a straight up. It has to. There is a little round tab that has to go in on the side here.
Maybe this is not letting me go in.
Alright, so that is in. Hang on. Okay, so we're gonna run this USB cable down by the radio. You don't really need it, but we're gonna give it. So this cable plugs into this cable. Put this one. Okay.
Así va.
Comes with a little plastic mount that goes in like that. Snaps in. And we're just gonna temporarily plug it in and make sure it works. There is another white cable. That is the main power connection. So in between these two air vents, there is a space there. You're running through that hole. There we go. We may have to put the microphone up here too. Alright, so we just temporarily connect these to make sure that it comes on. It does come on. That is the AirPlay.
Intenta reproducirlo. Yes.
Bluetooth is connected. It does wireless CarPlay. It seems to be working. Let's put everything back together.
Ese le mandas para.
Now, once you put the speed clip in here, let's see if I can show you. Inside, can you hold this one? Let me hold it. So there is a speed clip. We'll put it underneath. And the screw goes in to tighten it. Once you have it in, we're going to put 2 screws back in to hold it in place. Sure, we can do it today. So we got the 2 screws on that holds the monitor in. We got the radio back in place. Now we're gonna put the center console on. Inside this pocket, there's a cutout here. You ran the USB right there. It fits perfect. Got these 3 plugs in, and this one slides out like this, and there should be a few more underneath. Well, that's the maximum allowed by the law.
Audio settings. No. ¿Dónde está?
Oh, here.
¿Le apagas ese?
We gotta shut off this one.
Ahora te vas a media.
Then we go to media. We hit Bluetooth audio. And we gotta connect device to the Bluetooth transmitter.
Oh, okay.
Alright? So now it's just
This is a
streaming.
factory Bluetooth transmitter. The audio goes through the Bluetooth audio from the factory audio settings.
Just like it says right here. Like what it says here.
So once you've done that, everything
Should be good.
No, sabiendo que me estaba con...
¿Cómo está el clima?
En este momento está parcialmente nublado y la temperatura es de 61 grados. habrá cierto.
no sentir amor porque tú eres lo único que importa en